How to get default wallpaper on iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro. So let's get started with the tutorial. You can do it from the lock screen as well, but let's go to the settings for the easier way. Tap on the settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Once inside the settings app, scroll down and look for the wallpaper option available in there, and all you have to do is tap on the wallpaper. Now there, all you have to do is tap on the set current wallpaper option available there. You can see I already have 3 wallpapers available on my screen. But now if you want to add another one, then simply tap on it and scroll and choose one according to your preferences. You can also add one from your gallery photos as well, or you can simply choose one from these options available in your Apple. So let me just choose one from this for now. And all you have to do is tap on the add option available at the top right corner of your screen and set it as a wallpaper. Now go back to the home screen. Now all you have to do is long press on the lock screen and you can see your wallpapers available. You can simply tap on any according to your preferences, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.